Think investing is only for experts? Think again. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 ways to invest with zero experience. Simple, beginner-friendly strategies to grow your money starting today. Tap that like button, subscribe, and let's make your first investment count. Investing might sound intimidating to beginners, but it doesn't have to be. Even with no prior experience, anyone can start building wealth if they begin with the right tools, platforms, and mindset. In this guide, we'll break down the top 5 easiest and most effective ways to invest when you have zero experience. No complicated jargon, just real, actionable advice. 5. Robo Advisors. Let Ag do the work for you. If you're completely new to investing and don't know the difference between a stock and a bond, a Robo Advisor is your best friend. These are automated investment platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, or SoFi Invest that create and manage a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment timeline. The beauty of Robo Advisors lies in their simplicity. You sign up, answer a few questions, and the platform builds a portfolio, usually consisting of ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that aligns with your goals. They handle everything: rebalancing, dividend reinvesting, tax loss harvesting, and more. Most platforms charge low annual fees, around 0.25% to 0.5%, making them far more affordable than traditional financial advisors. Robo-advisors are perfect for people who want to invest but don't want to actively trade or constantly watch the market. You can start with as little as $5, $100, and over time, your portfolio will grow through the power of compound interest. 4. High-yield savings accounts and CDs, safe and simple starters. Before diving into stocks or real estate, consider growing your money in ultra-safe, low-risk ways, like high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs. These are ideal for those who are extremely risk-averse but still want their money to work for them. High-yield savings accounts from online banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, or Discover can offer interest rates several times higher than traditional banks. While you're not going to get rich with these, your money remains safe, liquid, and earns steady passive income. CDs are fixed-term deposits, 6 months, 1 year, or 5 years, that offer higher interest rates in exchange for locking in your money for a period. They're also federally insured, making them incredibly secure. Although these aren't investments in the traditional sense, they are a great training ground for people who want to start building financial discipline while earning modest returns. 3. Index funds, the passive investor's best friend. Warren Buffett himself recommends index funds for most beginners, and for good reason. Index funds are a type of mutual fund, or ETF, that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Instead of trying to beat the market, they aim to match it, which surprisingly leads to better returns over time than most actively managed funds. When you invest in an index fund, you're instantly gaining exposure to hundreds or even thousands of companies at once, offering you instant diversification and reduced risk. You don't need to pick individual stocks or follow market trends. You can invest in index funds through platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab with very low fees and minimums. Some ETFs allow you to start with as little as $1 if you use fractional shares, available on apps like Robinhood or M1 Finance. This set it and forget it strategy is ideal for those with no investing experience. You don't need to time the market. Just consistently contribute every month and let compound interest do its job. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Own property without owning it. Think you need hundreds of thousands to get into real estate? Not anymore. Thanks to real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or Ride, you can invest in residential or commercial properties with as little as $10 to $500. These platforms pool money from multiple investors to buy properties. You earn returns from rental income and property appreciation, just like a traditional landlord, but without the headaches of dealing with tenants, maintenance, or paperwork. Some platforms even allow you to choose your investment preferences. Do you want more growth, more cash flow, or a balance of both? Everything is managed for you, and you can track performance through mobile apps or dashboards. For beginners who want passive income, low barriers to entry, and exposure to real estate, this is one of the smartest modern-day strategies to build wealth. 1. Micro-investing apps. Start small, learn big. If you're brand new to investing and feel overwhelmed by all the options, micro-investing apps are the easiest way to start. Platforms like Acorns, Stash, and Public allow you to invest your spare change, or as little as $5 into diversified portfolios or individual stocks. With Acorns, for example, every time you make a purchase, it rounds up the amount and invests the change. Buy a coffee for $2.70. It invests $0.30 into your portfolio automatically. This way, you can start investing without even thinking about it. Micro-investing also removes the fear of losing big money. You're only putting in a few dollars, but you're learning the process, how investments grow, how markets fluctuate, and how compound interest works. Over time, you can scale up your contributions as your confidence grows. Many of these apps offer educational content, personalized advice, and tools to help beginners stay informed and engaged. For absolute beginners who want an easy entry point, micro-investing apps are hands down the best place to start. The world of investing is no longer reserved for the wealthy, the experts, or Wall Street insiders. With the tools available in 2025, anyone with a smartphone, a few dollars, and a bit of curiosity can start investing, even with zero experience. Whether you're putting your spare change into a micro-investing app, automating your savings with a Robo Advisor, or testing the waters of real estate crowdfunding, the key is to start now. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Those were the top 5 beginner-friendly ways to invest, even if you've never done it before. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip on building your wealth from scratch.